Good morning, my dear students. After exercise 5.5, today I am starting exercise 5.6. So in 5.6 exercise, what we have to do, we have to find the HCF and the LCM. So before starting, I want to explain you what is HCF. HCF, the full form is highest common factors, right? It means we have to find the common factors, but the factor should be the highest. And what exactly it should be? HCF means the greatest number which can divide the given number, right? So whatever the HCF will come, that should be the highest number and it can divide the given numbers. So look here how to find it. Find the HCF for the following numbers, right? This way, we have done in the prime factorization with the division method. Same we have to use here. So here I am taking 20. So start with the smallest prime number from smallest factor 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0. It means 2 tens are 20. So this is the quotient, right? I am writing the quotient here. Now again from the smallest factor, this is 2 5s are 10. Then now 5 ones are 5. So here all are the prime factors, right? So right here factors of 20. 2 multiply 2 multiply 5, right? Now 35 is coming only in the one table and after that in 5 tables. So take here 5 7s are 35, then 7 1s are 7. Now 5 and 7 both are the prime numbers. So now factors of 35 is 5 and 7. So the this is saying highest common factor. So the common factor we have to find. So 5, you can see 5 is here, 5 is here. You can make the curve like this here, right? 5 is common here, so right here. So HCF of 20 and 35 is this 5, right? So 5 can divide the both numbers 20 and 35. Now look at the next part. Third part I am taking here. This is 29 and 21 and 29. So firstly make the factors of 21 the prime factors, right? So use the division method like this way, prime factorization, right? Now 3 7s are 21, then 7 1s are 7. So 3 and 7 both are the prime factors and 3 7s is 21. So right here factors of 21, 3 into 7 into 1, right? Then 29 is a prime number. So 29 is coming in one table or in 29. So it will go with 29. 29 ones are 29. So right here the factors of 29 is 29 into 1, right? If I will not write 1 here, so no common factor will come. But 1 here also, 1 is the factor of all the numbers, that's why I am writing 1 here. So now the common factor is 1 only, right? So HCF of 21 and the 29 is 1, right? Now 6 part C, 45 and 50. Make prime factorization 45. So start with the smallest prime factor. So 2 cannot divide 45, so take 3. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Right, so 15 is the quotient right here. Next again 3 5s are 15, then again 5 1s are 5. Now we got the 1 here and here all the prime factors. So 45, 3 multiply by 5. Now 50, start with the smallest prime factor. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10, or 2 into 25 is equal to 50. So 25 is the quotient. Now 5 5s are 25, then 5 1s are 5. Now these are the common factors, prime factors. So 2 multiply 5 and multiply 5. So 50 is 2 multiply 5 multiply 5. Now find the HCF of 45 and 50 means the common factor is 5 here. Put like in this curve, right? So the HCF is 5 here, right everyone? Now I am explaining one more part of this question number A. This is 42 and 48. We have to find the this common factors HCF. So 42, write the common factor, that prime factors. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Then 3 7s are 21 and the 7 1s are 7. So prime factors of 42, 2 3 and 7. Right, like in the multiply. You cannot make the comma in between, right? You always put the multiplication sign. 2 multiply 3 multiply by 7. Now 48, start with the smallest prime factor. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Again 2 into 12 24, then 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So these all are the prime factors. Now right here 42 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 and multiply 3. Now find the common factors. So 2 you can see here and here, make curve, right? Now after this 3 here, 3 here, this is also common, make like this curve, right? Now right here 42 HCF of 42 and 48, what 2 and 3, always multiply will come here in this, right? Now solve 2 3s are 6, so the common that HCF of 42 and 48 is 6, right? Now the next thing is least that LCM. The full form of the LCM is least common multiple. What is the exactly in this? The LCM of two or more number is the smallest number that is divisible by the given number. In HCF we were finding the highest common number, and with that number that both the given numbers can divide, right? In this we have to find the smallest number, and that is divisible by the given number. That number should be divisible by the given numbers, right? Please learn these things about the HCF and the LCM. Now question number B, in this we have to find the LCM. Same method, firstly you have to use the prime factorization with the division method. Right here 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, then 5, 5 1s are 5. Right here the factors 4, 2 into 2, and 5, 5 into 1, right? Now LCM of 4 and 5. How to do? In HCF we were finding the common numbers, but here what we will write? We will write all the numbers, right? 2 here how many times? 1 2, right here 2 times 2, then 5 here 5. Now 2 2s are 4 into 5, what will come? 20, right? What we will do in this LCM, we will write, suppose 2 is coming 2 times here, so 2 times 2 will come. 5 is the coming here 1 time, so 5 will come. So answer is, after multiplication, this 20. Look, one more part, 8 and 12. Do here prime factorization. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. Then of 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, and 3 1s are 3. We got all the prime factors right here. 8 2 into 2 into 2, and 12 2 into 2 into 3. One simple thing I will tell you here, that how to find the LCM of 8 and 12. Right like this. Now look here, in 8 factors how many times 2? 3. And here how many times 2? 2, right? So the maximum time 2 is how much, right? How maximum time is 3 much, right? 3 times. Otherwise make the common like this, 2 here, make circle, and here circle, right? So from the pair, one time we will write, this one is pair, so write 1 time 2. This one is pair, 1 time 2. Now what is left? This 2 and 3, and right here 2 and 3. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24. Do like this, make the common, what numbers are common, make this curve, and from this one we will take the 1 1. 2 common are here, so we will write 1. Here also 2, then 1 we will write this one, then 2 and 3 left, write that also, and this. Now look question number 10. 20 and 25. Make prime factors. 2 1s are 2, 0, then 2 5s are 10, and 5 1s are 5, then 5 5s are 25, and 5 1s are 5. Now look here, 20, 2 into 2 into 5, and 25 is 5 into 5. Make the common factor, that common numbers, right here 5. Now look here, from the common we will write 1 time, right? This 1 time I am writing. Now what is left? 2 not came in the common. How many 2 are there? 2, so right here 2. Then 5 left, 5 here. So what will come? 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, and 25 is a 100, right? Like this means every number will come in LCM, and then after that multiply. I hope so this is clear to you. So please do the practice of the LCM and the LCF, and complete your work, and please understand the concept, right everyone? Thank you.